This is just showing the new LED bulbs that I installed in my 1025. Again, we have the two front headlights, the two work lights, the flashers, and the rear flashers, and then again a little light bar that I installed here, and this plugs into the 12-volt power source on the right side of the machine, which is really bright. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I wish the bulbs were a little bit brighter, but for the price, I certainly can't complain. I do like the fact that they're nice and white. It gives it a lot more of an updated style. Again, just a short video. The next video is going to be a complete service as far as the engine oil filter, fuel filters, air filters, hydraulics, and whatnot. So make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. Thanks for watching.